This is a 2001 Pontiac Grand Am. This compact has a 5-speed manual transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, full power accessories, and aluminum wheels. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Tom Masano Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1600 Lancaster Avenue in Reading.